This is a review of the SKYLMW iPhone 17 Pro Max case that we were going to be doing a unboxing review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we were going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review, we're going to open everything up and show you guys what you get inside. So without going further, let's open this up and show you guys more in depth about this phone case. Okay, so we got the package unboxed, and here is the iPhone 17 Pro Max case in the color of red, which we are going to show you guys the color of this, and it is absolutely beautiful. Let me take this out and show you guys more in depth. And right over here, you can see how beautiful this color looks like. It's like a hot red color, which looks very nice, especially in the sun. And right over here, it comes with a magnetic stand as well too, so you can put this horizontal, you can put it vertical, whichever your choice is. For example, if you're trying to watch a movie, you could set it up to however you wanted. And right over here, you could even see on the bottom of it as well too, is extremely high quality as well too. It's like a hot red color. In certain lighting, you can see how beautiful the finish is. And right over here, you can see that if I put this right over here, you could put it vertical. So just like that, you can put vertical, you can put it horizontal. But what we're gonna do now is that we're going to put this on my iPhone 17 Pro Max in a deep blue color and to see how well this thing looks like. Okay, so here's the finished results of the iPhone 17 Pro Max case in the color of red. You could see how nice it looks like. I always wanted a red iPhone. As you guys know, Apple only made it in a deep blue color, a cosmic orange, and then there was a white color as well. And unfortunately, there wasn't any red iPhone case. But right over here, it looks absolutely nice with the red. And you can see here, it comes with the MagSafe charger like I showed you guys. So let's say, for example, if you are trying to watch a movie, you could set it either like this. So this is horizontal. And then if you want to watch it vertical, you're trying to do FaceTime with someone, you're trying to talk to someone on the, like a FaceTime, then you just face it up just like this, and you can have it set just like that. And right over here, another important thing I do want to tell you guys about this iPhone case cover is that it offers a military grade protection. And what that means and what that does is that, let's say, for example, if this iPhone falls in a certain height, it will most likely protect the iPhone from getting damaged, depending on how high of that fall is. And the material wise, I do want to say is that the quality of this is really high quality when it comes to the material. The construction of it is really high quality. It has like that finish of like a hard shell plastic, but it feels very nice, especially if I tap on it. It's like a hard shell plastic material, but most likely it will definitely protect it if it falls down. And right over here, I also love the fact that, as you guys know, for an iPhone case cover, it's not like as bulky as compared to other ones. And you could press the buttons right over here, the on button, and right over here we have all these buttons right over here that are still functional, that you can use: the volume up, volume down, and the silent button as well too. But overall, if you are looking for a iPhone case that looks very nice and it protects your phone as well too, and it comes with a military grade protection as well, then this cover right over here from SKYLMW is by far one of the best cases to get, considering that the color of it looks really nice as well. And it comes with the magnetic stand. You can still use you could charge your phone as well too with the MagSafe. So if you have that thing on the back, you could charge it up like that, and you could also charge it up the way as you should, especially when you charge up with the MagSafe like right over here. So you can do that as well. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this iPhone case if you're looking for a case to have military grade protection. It looks nice as well too, and the hot red color looks also beautiful as well. Then this right over here for SKYLMW is by far one of the best cases to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.